welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what our apartment looks like in Accra, Ghana, and just ignore like the fan. You see the like blades going everywhere. I filmed this when we first got here on Tuesday, but this camera has a button that's really close to the on button that slows everything down and gets rid of sound. It doesn't make sense to me. This is still a newer camera for me, so I don't know what the deal is with it. So a few times I've recorded stuff and it's been like super slow with no sound whatsoever. So luckily I saw that today and redid it all. And so I just walked through with my kids and showed what our apartment looks like so that you can see where we're staying in Accra. So I hope you enjoy this video and get a little glimpse of what life is like here. At least this is a nicer area and a nicer house. Not everything looks like this, but at least kind of a glimpse of what it looks like where we're staying. Okay, so here is the outside of our apartment in Accra. And it's kind of like a duplex attached to the next one. My kids are following me around to help close doors and everything. So you go over here and try not to trip on this massive step. And here's the door. There's a lot of fans on, so it's kind of loud, but it's kind of a mess too because we're living here right now for a few days. But this is like the main living area. There's air conditioners in here, which we've been utilizing because we don't have this, like we don't have a main living space in Cotonou. Everything's exposed to just outside. And then a little dining area with another air conditioner up here. And then there's one bedroom down here, which my older boys are sleeping in this. I don't even know what it looks like in here because yeah, it's not too messy. But there's two double beds. There's another one upstairs. So they're in one of them. And there's a pool out there that I'll show you in a minute. That's their like white noise at night, is that pool. And then we have normal bathrooms, which again, my girls were so excited about this. They came in, Mom, we have normal bathrooms. And so there's a bathroom here. And then when we go out, and try not to trip over all my kids following me around, there is a half bath right here. So the toilet and the sink. And then the kitchen, again, my daughter was like, Mom, it's a normal kitchen. It still gets pretty warm back here, but at least it's an enclosed space. And there is a fan. There's not an air conditioning unit in here, but there's a fan. There's a washer, which we washed a bunch of our clothes. And we have a few snacks and food, some bread here, but this is kind of what the kitchen looks like. And there's a fridge right here. And then if you go out this door, watch out, buddy. If you go out this door is the pool. It's not a huge pool, but it's sufficient for what we need. And the kids have loved it. It's very refreshing. It's cold water. Lock, where are you going, bud? Let's not get all wet. So it's very nice to be able to swim in it or just walk around. It's not very deep. Like, it's just deeper than him, so he can't stand in it, but it's not crazy deep. So that's the pool. And stairs that go up to the other bedrooms. We have stairs in Cotonou, but they're just into our apartment. Like they help us, you know, get into it. So having stairs inside the house is weird because we have stairs in Utah, but that's been like 3 months ago, right? So it's weird to have stairs inside the house. Ironing board, which is nice. And then two bedrooms over here. So my daughters are splitting these rooms with little kids. So this is Lydia's room, another full bed here, and then a bathroom. This one looks the same as the one downstairs. And then right over here is where my oldest daughter is sleeping with my 4-year-old. And again, mood lighting. Around here, there's just not good lighting. So I think this is a queen size bed. And then armoires in all of them. And then this bathroom is bigger. So it has a little bigger shower, a little bit more space right there. And then if we walk out this door over here, we come into like a master bedroom. And I think the lights are already on in here. So we have stuff here, which we didn't bring a whole lot of stuff because we just don't have space in the car we use. So we have this one carry-on size suitcase and then this bigger suitcase over here. And that's basically all we brought. We put everything in those things and a few bags with food, and that was it. So there's a king size bed in here. Yes, a hat. And this is huge for us because we've been sleeping in a double bed the last 3 months, and then obviously we'll go back to sleeping in it for another 3 months. But this bed seems monstrous to us. It's so funny. We're like, you're like basically on the other side of the world on that side of the bed. And then a big armoire here, and then a bathroom over here. This one's really big. So that's our bathroom there. And then there's also like balcony area here. So I gotta unlock this door. Everything here, when you unlock it, is like 2 or 3 times. Like, I don't know, it's an African thing, I guess. I'm not really sure, because our place in Cotonou is the same. But then out here is the balcony, and then just the neighborhood. Whoa! Yep, there's a car over there, huh? Yeah, so it's very nice neighborhood. The road is not finished though, so that is a big pain. But so it's interesting that to have such nicer homes and houses with a really yucky road. They're trying to get it finished, I guess, but it's just not done yet. So this is what it looks like outside, and that is the tour of the house.